In part 1 of making clicker game, I'll be showing you how to make the clicking mechanic, which will be increasing the score, and the simple shop. Once you buy the worker, as you can see, it gives money, and it also increases the price every time you buy it. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm going to make a sprite. So I'm gonna resize this 200. Yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna make a new variable. I'm gonna call it money. Make sure it's for all sprites. Okay. So when green flag clicked, we're going to set money to 0. And when we click on the sprite, we're gonna change money by 1. So when we start the game, we start with 0, and when we click on it, we increase our money. So I'm gonna enlarge this. Now after that, I'm just gonna rename this clicker. Make a new sprite. I'm gonna make a button. I'm gonna call this worker. So I'm gonna resize this to 120. Put this in the corner here. So when green flag clicked, we're gonna do so that wherever, if we get an and, touching mouse pointer and mouse is down, and get another and, put this in here, and get it bigger than, and money is bigger than, let's make the price 20, so I'll do 19. Then we're going to change money by -20. So now let's test this. So once we get until 20, we buy it, it decreases our money. So once you buy it, nothing really happens. So I'm going to make a worker sprite. Okay, so after you're done with the worker, I'm gonna rename this worker. And once we buy the worker, let's create a clone of the worker. When the game starts, let's hide it. And when it starts as a clone, I'm just gonna resize it 80. Let's make it go down here. So go to, and let's pick random 217, and then let's show it. Forever, wait 1 second, and then it's going to change money by 1. So if we test that, as you can see, it changes the money by 1. It's kind of boring if the price of the button keeps the same. So let's make a new variable, call it price. And make sure it's for the sprite only. So we're going to set the price to 20 at the start. So let's put price in here. and get a minus. Do the same here. Get a minus, just like that. Put it here. So if we just do the large readout and see this in action, it works. So let's make it so that it increases its price every time we buy it, so it doesn't get boring. So let's change the price by, let's multiply it by the price, multiply by 0.2. Let's do it here. So if we test that, yeah, it works. But if we get more, you can see it gives this number, which we don't want. We want full numbers. So we can easily fix that by getting a round and put it in here. So now that problem doesn't come. Yep, like that. And just like that, we're done. In the next video, we're going to make the gameplay more smoother. So basically, we're going to make the buttons look nicer and the score look nicer. So see you there.